welcome. I'm Miriam, and today I have a Young Living unboxing video for you. So I'm excited about this one. So first of all, I got the new holiday catalog. Excited. They have some really cool stuff in here. One of the things, I know, I'm talking like I've already seen it. I saw it online. That's why. Let me show you. They have chocolate now. So that's cool. Anyway, I'm excited about that. Another thing I got is the Mountain Mist deodorant. I got this for my husband to try. I actually thought I would put it in his Christmas stocking unless if he needs it sooner. For a birthday present, I got the smaller, it's a 3-ounce, the Suitor On Men's 3-in-1. It's a body wash and like shampoo, body, face, I guess, wash. So anyway, I've heard this smells amazing. It's kind of pricey because the Suitor On Oil is a pricey blend, but I'm really excited for my husband to try this and to get more natural. I got some more Super Bee. I've been out for the last week or so I'm excited for that. For my kids, I got the Mighty Zyme. This helps support healthy digestion. My kids have not tried this yet. They say to chew 1 tablet 3 times daily for ages 6 and older. So the younger kids say that you can crush the tablets. I got some more Thieves dish soap because I do not want to run out of this. Excited about that. I know, excited about dish soap. And then I got some oils in here. Oh, just one oil. Oh, this is a freebie oil. So this is Oregano Vitality. The Vitality line is the dietary line, so you can add this to your food, to pasta sauce, or whatever you want to do. So I'm interested in trying that. Anyway, I like oregano. I like Italian foods. So I think I will like this one. So that is my unboxing for the month, and I will be getting another box next month, so stay tuned. So I hope you like this haul, and I want you to let me know if you have tried any of these products here and what you think about them. And if you're curious about what I'm diffusing today, I'm diffusing Christmas spirit. Thank you so much for watching.